Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, where today we're finally showing you the last bits and pieces of the assembly and preparation of the engine. Philip was hard at work finishing everything. We needed an extra day to get everything sorted. Here you can see all the special bits ready to go on the engine, and the first step is camshafts. They have to be put in. Here are the schematics of the Schrik special camshafts that we're using. Every engine needs to be timed, but first you need to put in Philip puts in the camshafts, all the assorted bits that go around it, and lastly you put in the chains and the wheels which rotate the camshafts. As with everything, everything is checked 3 to 4 times before assembly. Philip here uses a new process which was a first for the Phoenix build, and it's called Cerakote. It's a ceramic coating. It looks really good, and it turned out really cool. This is one of the first times that we used this coating, and we used it for the chain covers and the valve covers. Some nice shots of the Cerakote. We chose black for the ones that are closest to the exhaust, and a kind of, I don't know, beige, grayish other coating for the valve covers and the chain covers. Setting everything up, the tumblers that we used are Powter units. They were supplied to us by Powter. They are really nice billet pieces, and yeah, we're really happy with some. They are really light, and we're really happy with the result. Everything assembled, valve covers again, really nice. So a very short video of the final assembly. Next episode we're going to show you the fully built, everything on it, Iceland work intake, exhaust, everything. But for now, I would like to thank you all for watching. Please like, subscribe, let us know what you think. We hope to see you next time.